Hi everyone, welcome. In our previous lessons we've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense in French. So far you've learned how to conjugate all of these verbs in the present tense. In this lesson we are going to go on to the next verb, which is to arrive. Arriver, arriver. To arrive, arriver. These are the endings that you already know and that we need to do this lesson. These are regular ER verb endings. So let's go ahead and practice here. I arrive. Remember, take the infinitive arriver, remove the ER, and you're left with the root. Just add the ending to the root and you have your conjugated verb. I arrive. J'arrive, j'arrive. You arrive. Tu arrives. He arrives. Il arrive. She arrives. Elle arrive. One arrives, we arrive, they arrive. On arrive. And finally, the singular formal you. Vous arrivez. Remember that il, elle, and on always share the same verb form. And also note that the pronunciation for j'arrive, tu arrives, il arrive, elle arrive, on arrive is the same. Arrive, 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 arrive. Let's look at some examples. If I want to say, I arrive today, j'arrive aujourd'hui. I arrive tomorrow, j'arrive demain. I arrive soon or early, j'arrive tôt. I arrive late, j'arrive tard. I arrive on time, j'arrive à l'heure. You arrive today, tu arrives aujourd'hui. You arrive tomorrow, tu arrives demain. You arrive soon or early, tu arrives tôt. You arrive late, tu arrives tard. You arrive on time, tu arrives à l'heure. He arrives today, il arrive aujourd'hui. He arrives tomorrow, il arrive demain. He arrives soon or early, il arrive tôt. He arrives late, il arrive tard. He arrives on time, il arrive à l'heure. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.